So the first thing you need to do is log into your store. And once logged in, we can see shop management with some submenus, products with some submenus, analytics, and marketing, which gives you the option to create coupons. And there's a link to the help desk if you need any help or advice on running any of this. So the first thing we should do is have a quick look around. Now, under shop management, we have a special little section called product fields, and this is where you can add special product fields to add into your products. We have none at the moment. Let's create a new one. So we're going to add gift wrap. So we click in here to open the field, and the type of field I'm going to make radio buttons. Okay, and the label for the new field is going to be gift wrap. Don't bother with instructions. Is it going to be required? Yes, they must input. And here we can add options. So the first option we're going to call yes, and adjust the pricing by a flat fee, and we're going to say that that is £2. So then we're going to add an option, call it no price change, 0. And that is really it. So all you need to do now is click publish. So the next thing we should look at is attributes. Attributes are things to add to your products. For instance, if you're selling t-shirts and you're selling blue ones, red ones, black ones, well, colour would be an attribute. So let's go into products, attributes. Okay, so I'm going to be uploading a candle to this store. So I'm going to put scent as an attribute. You don't need to put anything in that field, it will automatically fill in for you. Just click add attribute, and you can see it's added over here. So now we can configure the terms for scent. So if you hit that, and now we can add new scents. So I'm just going to put a couple of random ones in here. Perfumed. Again, you don't need to add anything here or here if you don't wish to. And let's put a rose scent. And what the hell, let's put brute as a scent. Okay, so that will do. We've just got 3 different options there. So let's go back to attributes and let's add another attribute. So let's go color, and we will just add the attribute, and you can always come back. As you can see here, we have scent that we've just done. You can configure the terms again, so if you get new options within that attribute of scent, you can always add more at any point. Okay, so we'll go back to attributes, we'll go back to color, and we will configure, and color we will say black, pink, blue, and that will do. You get the idea. Okay, so we've got some attributes. Now we need to add categories. So it depends what you're selling, of course, but have as many different categories as you can. So we'll have shirts, candles. Scented candles. You can just hit enter and it just adds them in. Blouses. So we have some categories as well. Okay, so now we're going to go to products and add new. So this is where we're going to add this product. So we'll add a title, we'll add, make sure this is in visual there. You've got visual and text. Text is HTML, which is a little bit complicated. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. Visual means you're typing what you get, and it's a bit like a Word document up here. So let's just paste this in here. So we're happy with this text, it looks okay. Let's just to show you what you can do, you could bold that there, gives it a slightly different look. Anyway, you can play with that as and when you created your own products. So anyway, we have to decide now, are we creating a simple product or are we creating a variable product? Those are the two that I would stick with if I were you. You can make grouped products, it's getting into different things. You can probably find out how to do that online. But anyway, let's make a variable product. Okay. Now we want a SKU. This is just a number based on your stock taking system, whatever it may be. So I'm just going to put candle 1324. Okay, we're going to enable stock management at product level. Now what this will do, if you've got 50 in stock, you can decide whether to allow back orders or not allow, or allow but notify the customer that they're not in stock as yet, but they will be soon. So you've got those three options there. And the low stock threshold means you can say, right, I'll have the low stock threshold at 5. So when I'm down to 5, the website will let you know that you're low on stock. So it's a bit of a stock reminder. Okay, sold individually. That's enable this to only allow one item to be bought in a single order. You don't really need to do that. They can buy 100 off me, I don't care. Okay, so then you need to configure some shipping. We just have a flat rate shipping at the moment, so you don't really need to enter anything into this. Linked products. This means you can upsell and cross-sell different products that you already have in your store. This is the first product for this store, so we can't do anything with this yet. Attributes. Right, what attributes do we want for this product? So I'm going to put scent, and I'm also going to add color. Okay. So you can select terms individually here. In other words, when we were doing our attributes and our options within them, if you don't want to use them all, you don't have to. But we're going to create variations of our products. So both of those need to be checked there and there. And I'm just going to go select all. So it's Brute, Perfumed and Rose. And I'm going to put select all. Okay. And we're going to save these attributes. Okay, so they're both there, and if you wish you can change the order. So we've got colour first and scent, or if you wish you can have scent and then colour. It's entirely up to you. So we're going to save those attributes. I'll just click it again because I was messing about with them. And now we'll go into variations. Add variation. Now if you go into this field, create variations from all attributes. That's what you want to do. Click go. This will only do 50 per run. Now if we've got a lot of variations, then you may need to do more than one run. So if we had 10 colours and 10 scents, then that would be 10 times 100, it would be 100 variations. So this would only do 50. You would then have to press it again, create variations from all attributes. So let's just hit it now to 50, and we can see here that it's done 9 because that's all we have. Okay, so click that, okay, and here we can see all the variations that it's created for us. Okay, now what I want to do now is price these different variations, and there's an easy way to do this. So if you can, here you see pricing, set regular prices. So I'm going to price all these at the same price. We'll say it's £15 and click OK, and that's priced them all. If I just open one up, you'll see it's put 15 there at regular price. Okay, I just noticed this store is actually set in dollars at the moment. This is how these scripts come programmed from the software companies. Don't worry about this, that I will have yours set to pounds. So we need then a short description. I'm just going to take the first bit of our main description and I'm going to paste it in there. Okay, now we need to set a product image. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to upload a file. That you should have your images ready for doing this process. So upload your image, which is going to be this one. And in these fields here, as you've uploaded, you can put alt text. So we want to put something like beautiful candles for you. Okay, we don't want a caption on the image, so but put something in the description, put something in the alt text, and put something in the title. There we go, and hit set product image. Okay, so it's appeared here, and now I'm just going to scroll down a little bit more and just show you product gallery. So if you've got more than one image for your product, it will automatically create a nice little gallery for you. So add product gallery images, and we'll just upload a couple of things here. Let's just do these two, and it's uploading them, as you can see over here. Okay, so let's select this one, alt text. Now I'm just quickly pasting in here. You could do with just type in a nice individual name for this particular product. And let's set this one. And there you can see we have those two images there. So we've added everything. We've added our prices. We can add tags if you want to make them extremely searchable. If you just type in there, and there's an add button there, but if you just press enter for speed, it's easy. And just put 2 or 3 or 4 different tags in there. It just all helps for the optimization. We need to put it in a category, so don't have it as uncategorized, have it in candles. Okay, all right, and I think we've got there now. So leave that as it is and click update. Okay, so here is the URL for your new product, and what we can do is hit that link there and open the link in a new tab. So we're going to open that link in a new tab and go up to it, and here it is. So you can choose an option, and you can choose a color, and you can choose gift wrap, and if you look at the price as I click the gift wrap, it adds 2 to it. So then here is your description. Additional information, we'll put all your technical details, your colors, your scents, etc. Obviously we haven't any reviews just yet for this. Okay, so basically that's how you add a product, and categories and attributes and variations to your products using our system. Thanks very much for watching.